Okay. Anyway, I will continue the session. Okay. First, please mark your attendance. හැමෝටම මාව ඇහෙනවද? දැන් කීප දෙනෙක් වැඩිලා තියෙන නිසා අහන්නේ. හැමෝටම මාව ඇහෙනවද? Okay. Anyway, I will continue the session. Today, we are going to discuss about. I'm continuing in English because some student asked me to do it in English. So I am continuing it in English. If you want any single explanation, please let me know. Then I will explain it in uh, English too, single too. Okay. Before it, please go through the link in the chat and mark your attendance. Okay. Now, today we are going to discuss about current electricity. Okay. What is current electricity? What is current? Can anyone tell me what is current? What is current? Okay. Current is a flow of charge. Okay. Flow of charge is known as current. Okay. There is a better definition for current. Uh, if someone asking you what is current, you have to give them a definition like this. Actually, the electric current is rate of flow of charge. In another terms, charges which flowing through a conductor within unit time or within 1 second. Okay. Generally, current is defined as I is equal Q over T. Okay. Q is charge, T is time, and I is current. Okay. You have to remember this equation for your further studies also in your in next level. You have to learn about electronics also. So for that too, you have to remember this I is equal Q over T expression. Okay. Okay. I'm going to a example. Okay. Which lesson means today I'm going to talking about a current electricity lesson. This equation is need to level 4 electronic. This equation and this current electricity part is important for your level 4 electronics lesson also. Electronic course. There is, I think, it's I don't remember its course code. Um, there is a course electronics in physics. So if you are follow that, if you hope to follow that course, you have to go through this current electricity part very well. Okay. Then I'm going to example. Considering there is plus 10 coulomb charge, flowing from A to B direction through a conductor within 2 seconds. What is the current through this conductor? Can anybody answer it? Anyone can answer that one? That question? Nobody. So I will continue it. I'm going to apply I is equal Q over T. Okay. Q is 10 coulombs divided by T is 2 seconds. So I can have 10 over 2. The answer is 5 coulombs per second. There is another unit for coulombs per second. It's called as ampere. Okay. Okay. And what is the direction of current? That's the next problem. Direction of current is considered as direction of positive charge flowing. In this case, positive charge flowing from A to B. So direction of the current is capital I. According to the standards, direction of current is considered as direction of flow of positive charge. In another terms, it is considered as opposite direction to the negative charge flowing. In first case, direction of current is this one. In second case also, direction of current is this one. Okay, direction of current is this one. Okay. So, do you have any questions about that one? About this part? There is 2 points. You have to know how to calculate the current, and the unit of current is ampere. And direction of current is always considered as direction of positive charge moving, or positive charge moving direction is considered as direction of current. And also opposite direction to the negative charge moving is considered as current. Okay. In both terms, saying same situation. Okay. Is it clear or not? I hope it clear. So nobody speaking.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Then and thank you for response. Okay. Then there is another special case you have to know. Current is a scalar. Current is a scalar quantity. Because current is current does not obey to any vector laws. Because of that, current is considered as scalar quantity. And also, if you are follow through the Kirchhoff law, sometimes you will get negative values for current. That means you are taking the direction of negative charge moving. That's why your current value is get negative 2 amperes or something like that. Okay. This is not a direction of current. Actually, it shows what type of charges are moving in that direction. Okay. Okay. Next, I'm going to talking about this thing. Why charges are moving from some place to another place? What is the reason? What is the reason for charges moving from in one place to another place? Can anybody
The
can?
potential difference.
Yeah. Thank you. It's completely correct. The potential difference is the main reason why charges are flowing from another one place to another. Okay. Just like a liquid, you know, in if you are connecting a hose into your tap, in this place have high pressure and this place have low pressure. Because of that, liquid is flowing from high pressure to low pressure. Just like that, charges are moving from high potential to low potential. Okay. High potential to low potential, charges are moving. Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Then I'm going to talking about simple scenario like this. I'm taking a conductive sphere which has 10-volt potential. Okay. And another sphere which does not have any charges. Because of that, its potential is 0 volt. I'm going to connect these spheres by using a conductive wire. You can see there is a potential difference of 10 volt. How do we calculate the potential difference? By getting difference of these potential values. Okay. By getting difference of these potential value, we can have the potential difference. Okay. Now you know charges are moving from high potential to low potential. Now I'm going to calculate how many charges are moving from high to low within 1 second. Okay, within 1 second. I'm going to assume it as 2 amperes. This is a assumption. Okay, I'm not going to calculate it. After this concept, we can calculate uh, current through a conductor. Okay, first I'm assume it has 2 amperes. Okay, then I'm going to increase charges from this capital A. This one is capital B, capital A sphere. If I increase charges in A sphere, you know, potential is also getting increased. Now, if I'm connecting this sphere with zero potential sphere, now the potential difference is slightly increased to 20 volts. Am I correct? Is it okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then what happened to the current? Is it increase or decrease? Is it increase or decrease?
Increase.
Yes, it is increased. Okay. Then it is increased up to 4 amperes. Clear? Now again, I'm going to increase the potential of capital A. This one is capital B. Now, if I increase the potential of this sphere to 30 volts and this one is 0 volts, you can see potential difference is also increased up to 30 volts. Then what happened to the current? Is it increase or decrease?
Increase.
It is increased. It is increased up to 6 amperes. You can see, according to the example, if I am increasing the potential difference of some points, current is also increased. So I can say it like this way. If this sphere has capital V potential and this sphere is simple, sorry, this sphere has zero potential. Okay. Current is directly proportional to the voltage. When the voltage get increased, current is also get increased. Okay. Now I'm going to use this equation and derive an expression from that. So this relationship is known as Ohm's relationship. This is known as Ohm's relationships. Okay. Now for convert this relationship into a expression, we have to take constant for this side. So my constant is capital R, which is known as resistance of the conductive wire. Okay. Up to this point, can you understand all the things, or is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Then every object has resistance. What is resistance? Considering if you are taking a conductive wire, if I'm considering a copper wire, there are copper atoms and also free electrons are in here. If I'm applying some voltage into the ends of this copper conductor, electrons start to move from negative to positive direction. Negative to positive direction. When they are moving from negative to positive, they are getting collide with some electrons or some copper atoms, or sometimes they are get attracted from copper atoms, and there are many disturbance for that electrons. Okay, that disturbance is known as resistance. Okay, that disturbance is known as resistance. It is difference from material to material. If you are considering resistance of copper wire, it is different from resistance of aluminium wire. Okay, different materials have different resistance. Is it only depend on the material? Is it only depend on the material?
No.
No. What are the other parameters that resistance is depend on?
Temperature.
Yeah, temperature is one parameter, but if we are
Surface area.
no. I told you before, current is just like a liquid. Current is just like a liquid flow. Okay. If I'm considering a pipe and there is a liquid flowing through a pipe, if I'm decreasing the cross-sectional area of the pipe, what happened to the liquid flow? Is it going, is it flowing through the pipe with easily, or it is difficult to flowing through a pipe if I am get decreased area? Is it difficult, or is it easy to flow through a pipe, that liquid?
Difficult.
It is difficult. That means resistance is increase or decrease?
Increase.
Yes. If I am decrease the area, the resistance is increase. Okay. Like that, if I am decrease the cross-sectional area of the conductor, if I am decrease the cross-sectional area of the conductor, current is also get decrease.
Increase.
Sorry. If I am decrease the what is increase? Current or resistance or?
Resistance.
resistance here. When I'm decrease the area, resistance is get increased. Okay. Then you can see there is a inverse proportional. There is an inverse proportional relationship in between resistance and the area. Am I correct? Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Then I'm taking a tube which is more longer than previous tube. If liquid is flowing through this tube also, if the tube is longer than previous one, is it easy to flow through a liquid in the is it easy to flow or difficult to flow through this pipe if I am increase the length? If I am increase the length, is it easy or hard to liquid to flow through that pipe?
Hard to move.
Yeah, it's hard. So if I am get increase the length, resistance is also get increase. From these relations, we can say resistor is proportional to L over A. Now I'm going to apply a constant for this equation. My constant is rho, which is known as resistivity of the conductor. Resistivity is depend on the material of the conductor. If you are using copper, it has different resistivity than aluminium. Okay, there are different resistivities for different materials. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now you have to remember this one also. Okay.
Clear, sir.
Okay, I can hear you. Okay. Now I'm going to talking about relationship in between resistance and the temperature. Okay, I'm taking temperature in in Celsius and resistance in ohm. Okay, when I'm increasing the temperature, resistance also increasing in this manner. You can say R is equal R naught plus 1 plus alpha theta. Okay. In another terms, R is equal R naught alpha theta plus R naught. R naught is the resistance at 0 Celsius. Okay. Okay. Then theta is the temperature difference. And alpha is the temperature coefficient. Okay. Is it clear or not? Up to now, is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now, you can see, according to this equation, this graph should be going like y is equal mx plus c. So graph is just like that. Clear? You have to remember this one also. You have to remember this one also. Okay. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, clear.
Okay. Now I'm going to calculate the resistance. Okay. Considering I'm applying 2 voltage for this conductor. This one is a conductor, and I'm applying 20 volt for this end and 10 volt for this end. Can anyone tell me what is the voltage difference? What is the voltage
10
difference?
volt.
Yeah, it's 10 volts. And when I am applying 10 volt voltage difference to this conductor, there is 2 ampere current passing through the through that conductor. What is the resistance? Now I'm going to applying V is equal IR to this equation. Okay. V is known as the potential difference. So potential difference is 10 volts and current is 2 amperes. And now I have to find out what is the resistance values. Resistance value is equal to 10 volt divided by 2 ampere. Clear? This one is 5. And you can say resistance is 5 volts per ampere. There is a derived SI units for this unit. It is known as ohm. Okay. This is a letter omega in Greek. This is letter omega in Greek alphabet. Okay. We use that letter as ohm in this part. Okay. Then resistor can be written as 5 ohms. Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to discuss how the area and length affected on the resistor according to this equation. Okay. R is equal rho L divided by A. Consider there is a conductive wire which has simple L length and capital A cross-sectional area. Its resistance is capital R. And its resistivity of the material which used to create this conductor is rho. Okay. If I'm getting another wire from that material which has same cross-sectional area, but the length is 2L. What is the resistor? What is the resistance of this conductor? Can anyone tell me? What is the resistance?
2R.
2R. Yes, correct. If this one is rho, I'm using same material for this one. So its resistivity is also rho. So I'm applying R is equal rho L divided by A. And also I'm applying R1 is equal rho times 2L divided by A. Now I'm going to divide second equation from first equation. So R1 divide R, is equal rho 2L divided by A over rho L divided by A. Rho, L, and A is cancelled out. R1 over R is equal 2 and R1 is equal to 2R. When length is get increased, resistance is also get increased. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to consider another wire which is made from same material and it has same length as initial one in this one. Okay. But its cross-sectional area is A by 4. A by 4. Okay. What is the resistance of this conductor? Can you tell the resistance of this conductor by using R? Anyone? Okay. First, I know there is a conductor which has L length, capital A cross-sectional area, and rho resistivity. Its resistance is capital R. So I can write R is equal rho LA over A for this one. If I'm going to this one, R2 is equal rho L over A by 4. Now I'm going to divide this first equation from, actually this one is the first one. This is the first equation divided by third equation, or third equation divided by first equation. I'm going to divide third by first. Then we can write it as R2 over R is equal rho L over A by 4 over rho L over A. A to A is cancelled out, rho L to rho L is cancelled out. And 4 is going to numerator. Then R2 over R is equal 4. Then R2 is equal 4R. Okay. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now that's all for resistance part. Okay. Now I'm going to talking about resistors. Generally, resistors are represented in the circuit by using this symbol. This is the symbol of resistor. Okay. And this symbol is also used for the resistor. Now, I'm going to ask you another question. What is the meaning of this symbol or this symbol? What is the meaning of this symbol? These symbols. Can anyone tell me? What is the meaning of these symbols?
Variable.
Yeah, it's variable resistors. These resistors are known as fixed resistors. Fixed resistors cannot be changed by us. Okay. These are known as variable resistors. Its resistance can be changed. Okay. Can anyone tell me examples for this that variable resistors?
Rheostat.
Rheostat. Another one.
Resistant box.
Yes, resistor box. Okay. Now, I'm not going to talking much about the what are the variable resistors and fixed resistors. Actually, the main purpose of this session is train you for the calculations of this resistor part. So I am quickly moving to the calculation part of the resistor. Okay. Up to now, all are clear for you, or do you have any doubts about previous things? If you have, please ask now. Is it clear for all? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Then I'm moving to next part. Okay. Now I'm going to applying two voltages across a resistor. For this end, I'm applying 10 volts. No, 20 volts. Plus 20 volt. And this end, I'm going to apply plus 10 volts. If this resistance of this resistor is 2 ohms, what is the current flow through this resistor? Can anyone tell me? What is the current flow through this resistor? Anyone? Anyone can tell me what is the current flow through that resistor? No one.
5.
Yeah,
5
it's
ampere.
5. It's 5. Okay. We know the voltage difference across a resistance, across a resistor is 10 volt. So I'm going to apply Ohm's law for this one. V is equal IR. So if I'm applying V is equal IR, we can say 10 is equal simple I into R is 2. Then I is equal 5 amperes or 5 amps. Is it clear for everyone? Now I'm going to change little bit of this question. Now I'm going to connect a battery for this resistor. For this resistor. I'm going to connect 20 volt battery for this 4 ohm resistor. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now we have to calculate the current through the 4 ohm resistor. This battery is 20 volt. We have to calculate current through the resistor. I'm not going to applying Kirchhoff law for this one. I'm applying different method. Okay. Please go through this one. This is very simple method. Now I'm going to teach you. Okay. This is actually a short form for calculating the potentials also in a circuit. Okay. First, I'm considering the short one is younger brother. Okay. This long one is Actually, it is a positive terminal. Am I correct? The long one is known as positive terminal, the battery, and the short one is known as negative terminal of the battery. Okay. Now I'm going to consider this is younger brother. And this one is older one. Okay. Older one is always more older than younger one. Am I correct? Is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the age difference between younger brother and older brother?
20.
20. Age difference is 20. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? අනිතටත් මේක තේරුණාද කියලා අහන්න.
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have to remember another thing. First thing is always consider the short one is younger brother and long terminal or the positive terminal of the battery is older brother. Okay. The first case is that one. First, you have to consider the negative terminal of the battery or short line of the battery is known as younger brother, and the positive terminal or the long line of the battery is known as older one. Okay. And the age difference is the voltage difference or EMF of the battery. Clear? The second thing you have to remember, if there is no item, what I mean by item, resistor, cell or battery or capacitor. Today case, I'm going to discuss only about these parts. Later, we will discuss capacitor part. Okay. Now, if there is no item or resistor or battery or capacitor, your potential does not change. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? හැමෝටම මේක තේරුණාද නැද්ද?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to color the region of the older brother. Now this is the region of older one. So older one, older one, older one. Now I'm going. I cannot color the this part as blue one because there is an item resistor in here. So I have to stop here. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Clear, sir.
Clear. Then I'm going to color region of the younger brother. Region of younger brother is this part and this part and this part, up only this part because there is a item after this point. Is it clear? Now, can anyone
Clear,
tell me now? Can anyone tell me what is the voltage difference in between red color and blue color? Oh, younger brother and older brother.
20 volt.
20 volt. Is this one is also red color and blue color? Red color and blue color? No. Is this one is also red color and blue color? So what is the potential difference in between red and blue?
20 volt.
20 volt. Now it is same as this one. Am I correct? Now it is same as this one. Previously we taking as 10 volts voltage difference like that. This is same as that one. So now I have to calculate current through the resistor. It's now I'm taking it as X. So I'm going to apply Ohm's law for this 4 ohm resistor. For the 4 ohm resistor, I'm going to apply Ohm's law. V is equal IR. V is equal to 20. And I is, I'm considered as simple X. and R is 4 ohms. What is the current through the resistor? What is the current through the resistor?
5 ampere.
Yes, it's 5 ampere. Is it clear for everyone or not? Is it clear for everyone or not? හැමෝටම මේක තේරුණාද නැද්ද කියලා ඇහුවේ.
Yes.
හරි ඕකේ. ඔයාලට මම සිංහලෙන් කතා කරාම තේරෙන්නේ කාට හරි ඉන්නවද ඉංග්‍රීසි තේරෙන්නේ නැති අය? Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to talking about another example. Considering this example. This one is 3 ohm and this one is 2 ohm. It's connected to 12 volt cell. This one is 3 ohm and this one is 2 ohm, and both resistors are connected to 12 volt cell. Now, who is this? Who is this?
Positive terminal.
Yeah, younger or older?
Older.
Older.
Older one. Now I'm going to color the region of older one. Until there is no item, we can color it as region of it. There is item, so I have to stop from here. And also we can color it from up to here. Okay. I have to step from here because there is a resistor on that. This one is what is this terminal?
Younger.
Yeah. Now this is the region of younger brother. What is the potential difference in between red and blue?
12 volt.
12 volts. Then what is the potential difference in between 3 ohms?
12 volt.
12 volt. What is the potential difference in between 2 ohms?
12 volt.
12 volts. So I'm going to consider the current through a 3 ampere is X and current through a 2 ampere is Y. I'm going to apply Ohm's law for 3 ampere. V is equal IR. V is known as 12 volts. We have already find out potential difference. I is X and R is 3. Then X is equal 12 over 3. That means 4 amperes. Is it clear? Is it clear for everyone? Sorry? Is it clear for everyone?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Then I'm going to applying current, applying Ohm's law for 2 ampere one and find out the current. V is equal IR. Okay. Then 12 is equal Y into 2. Then R is equal 6 ampere. Sorry. Y is equal 6 amperes. Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you your homework tute. Okay. You have to go through these questions. Okay. Can you try this first one? Can you try this first one and tell me what is the current through 2 amperes and 5 amperes and 4 amperes? Can you
10,
quickly?
4, 5.
Yes, it's 10, 4 and 5. Correct. Okay. Now, for the parallel connection, it's okay. How do we apply that concept to the series connection? That's the next problem. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to take another example like this. There is series connection of resistors, and both resistors are connected to a cell which has 10 volt EMF or voltage. It's 2 ohm and it's 3 ohm. Clear? Now, first I'm going to apply the concept of younger and older brother concept. Who is this one?
Older.
Older.
Older one. Now this is the region of older brother.
Older.
Now this is the region of older brother. Up to this point. After that, we can color the red color in the here. Can we color the red color in this part?
No.
No, it's not a part of the older one. Okay. Now I'm going to color the region of the younger one. This is the region of the younger one. Okay. Can I color this part as blue? Can I color it?
No.
No. Now this part is not belongs to the younger older one or younger one. This is a separate part. Okay. We know the voltage difference in between red and blue. What is the voltage difference in between red and blue?
10.
10
10.
volt.
Do we know voltage difference across the red and green? Do we know? Do we know? No. So I am getting it as V1. Okay. Do we know voltage difference across the green and blue?
No.
No. Now I'm going to getting it as V2. Do we know voltage difference between red and blue?
Yes.
Yes. What is?
10.
It's 10. Now we know that 10 volt is equal to V1 plus V2. Am I correct? Am I correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I'm going to applying Ohm's law for each resistor. I know if there is current, if X current is passing through a 2 ohm, current through the 3 ohm is also X. Am I correct? Is it clear?
Correct.
Okay. Then I am going to applying Ohm's law for 2 ohm. For 2 ohm resistor, V is equal IR. Across potential difference across 2 ohm is V1. So V1 is equal X into 2 or 2 into X. This is the first one. And if I am applying 3 ohms law to the 3 ohm resistor, V is equal IR. Then V2 is equal 3 into X. This is the second one. Okay. This equation is known as simple A. Okay. Now I'm going to substitute first and second. A equation. Okay. Now you know 10 is equal V1 plus V2, and V1 can be written as 2x and V2 can be written as 3x, and 10 is equal to 2x plus 3x, It's 5x and x is equal to 2 amps. Is it clear or not? For everyone?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now, can you try this one and tell me what is the answer? Can you try this one and tell me what is the answer? I will give you 1 or 2 minutes.
2 amperes.
Yes, it's 2 ampere. Is it clear for everyone?
So can you show the last slide for a minute?
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm moving to next part. Okay. Before I moving to next part, you have to know another things. If I'm considering a battery like this is positive terminal and this one is negative terminal. Previously, we considered as this one is younger or older one.
Older.
Older one. Okay. This one is younger or older.
Younger.
Younger. Okay. Now I'm going to consider about a resistor. If I current is flowing through this resistor, this one is R. Okay. What is current? Can anyone tell me what is current? Is it positive charges or negative charges? Direction of current is positive charge moving direction. Positive charge moving direction is known as current, direction of current. So if I am applying a resistor from here, okay, then you can see charges are blocked in here. Am I correct? Is it clear for you? If I'm
Clear,
set
sir.
resistor here, charges are blocks from here.
Yes.
So positive charges are blocked from here. But we know negative charges are also coming from this side. Am I correct? Negative charges are coming from this side. Is it clear or not? If positive charges are moving from this side, that means negative charges are moving to other side. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Then negative charges are also blocking in here. That means it is just like negative and positive terminal. Am I right? Is it just like negative and positive terminal? If there is current passing through a resistor, it's just like negative and positive terminals. Am I correct? Just like, not a cell, but just like a cell. Am I correct?
Sir.
Yeah. Is it correct? Am I correct or not? Not. Is
Correct.
it okay? Now, can I consider this one as a older one? No, we can consider it as a older one. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
This one is younger one. Clear? Clear. Okay. Now, if I'm considering the current is passing from here to there, who is the older one? Who is the younger one? Left hand side, right hand side? Who is the older one? Who is the younger one?
Right hand side is older.
Yes, right hand side is the older one. This is older one. Is it clear for everyone? And left hand
Yes,
side
sir.
is? Left hand side is
Younger.
younger one. Okay. Not like the cell in resistor, side of the older one and younger one is changed according to the direction of the current. Am I correct?
Correct, sir.
Okay. Now remember those things. It is very important for our next part. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss how to calculate the voltage or a potential at a point in a circuit. Okay. First, I am going to discuss a part of the circuit. Okay. It is a part of the circuit. Somehow, some cell is given current to this circuit. So I'm not considering the complete loop. I'm considering only this part. Okay. I'm considering current is 3 amps. Okay. And voltage is 10 volt or EMF is 10 volt and there is 2 ohm. Now, tell me, who is the younger one? Who is the older one? In this case, which side? Who is the younger one? Who is the older one?
Long one is
This is older.
Yeah. Long one is older one. This is older. This one is younger one. This is Y. Is it clear? Now I'm going to mark the current through this. And this one is going to earth. This symbol is known as earth symbol. Nothing happens if I am applying this symbol to this point, nothing happened, but this point gets 0 volt. That's only thing what happened when you are get earth some point. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Clear, sir.
Now, can anyone tell me if current is passing from here to here? Who is the younger one and older one of this resistor? Left hand side, right hand side. Who is the younger? Who is the older?
left hand
Left
side
hand
is
side
older.
older.
Yes. Left hand side is older one. Okay. Right hand side is younger one.
Younger.
Okay. Now, I forgot to tell you, if I'm considering the age difference between old and younger, we can say it's IR. Am I correct? Am I correct or not? If I'm considering the age difference between younger one and older one, we can find out by using EV is equal IR or Ohm's law. Is it clear to you? Clear දෙක හැමෝටම.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now, can anyone can tell me what is the age difference between these younger one and older one?
10.
10. Now, someone can tell me what is the age difference between this younger one and older one?
10.
This one. There is 3 ampere passing through a 2 ohm. So I'm going to apply V is equal IR. Clear. If I'm applying V is equal IR, I is 3 amps and R is 2. Then 3 into 2 is 6 volts. Is it clear or not? Clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now, previously I told you, if I am set some point into earth, that point's voltage is, voltage is, what happened to the voltage of that point?
0.
0. I'm going to consider this is A point, this is B point, and this is C point. Okay. Now I have to calculate the voltages at each point. Okay. Now, what is the voltage of this point? VA. What is the
0.
yes, it's 0 volt. Up to this point, it's 0 volt. Then, what is the age of younger one? What is the
0.
age of?
0.
Yes, it's 0. It's 0. It's 0. What is the age difference between younger and older one?
6.
6.
6. If younger one is 0 volt, what is the age of older one?
6 volts.
6 volts. It's 6 volts. Then VB is equal to 6 volts. Am I correct? So,
Correct,
now,
sir.
okay. Now I am moving to this point. Don't think about the 10 volt. Okay. Just think about my concept. This concept. Only can think about this concept. Okay. Don't think about 10 volt. Okay. Now, this is the region of younger one. This is this is the region of older one, and also that older one is younger for another one. Am I correct? If you are the older son of the family, that doesn't mean you are the oldest one for the everyone. You are younger one for the another person. Am I correct? Okay. Now this older ones or old is 6 volts. So what is the voltage at what is the age of this point? What is the age of this point?
4 volt.
Sorry,
4 volt.
what is the age of this point? No. Just considering only the this part. Do not do anything. Okay. Which is not relevant to this part. Okay. Only using this part to calculate. If this one is 6 volt, what is the voltage at this point? Tell me what is the voltage at this point?
6 volt.
6 volt. What is the voltage of this point?
There's also
6
6.
volt.
It is also 6 volt. It is also 6 volt. Am I correct? Is it clear for everyone?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the age difference between this younger one and older one?
10 volt.
10 volts. So what is the age of younger one?
6 volt.
6.
6 volts. So what is the age of older one then?
16 volt.
16 volts. Is it clear for everyone or not?
16.
Sir, please explain. Can you repeat it, please?
To this one? Okay.
Yes, sir, the same.
I will repeat all the things again. Okay. Now, first, I have circuit like this. Okay. First, we have to find out who are the youngest, who are the oldest. Okay. For that, first, sorry. Okay. First of all, when you are calculating this kind of question, first mark the ABC points. Okay. This is point A, this is point B, and this is point C. Okay. Then you have to mark current through this circuit. Okay. Part of the circuit. Okay. Not the whole circuit. This part of the circuit. If you have the part, you should have to mark the current through this part. Clear? There is 3 ohm and 3 ohm. Don't think about this earth earthing part, this one. Okay. This earth symbol, it is only used for set that point into 0 volt. Okay. Now you have to consider who are the youngers and who are the olders. It is easy to consider olders and youngers in battery. Now tell me, who is the older one, who is the younger one? Short one or long one? Younger one?
Short one.
Short one. This one is short. Clear? Now, who is the older one?
Long one.
Long one is the older one. Clear? This is older one and this is younger one. Clear? When we are considering a resistor, who is the older one, who is the younger one? Right or left?
Right hand side younger.
Right hand side is younger. Very good.
Left hand side longer.
Yes. Right hand side is younger and left hand side is older one. Clear? Now we have to mark age difference or potential difference of each component. Okay. First, I am going to mark the voltage difference of this 10 volt cell. What is the voltage difference or age difference of this 10 volt cell? What is the voltage difference?
10.
It's 10 volt. Now, we have to calculate the voltage difference or age difference in between these two terminals also. That means voltage difference across the resistor. We know voltage difference across the resistor can be calculated by using V is equal IR. So I am going to apply V is equal IR. So if I am applying V is equal IR, what is the current passing through the 2 ohm resistor? What is the current?
3 ampere.
3 amperes. And what is the resistor value?
2 ohm.
2 ohms. So voltage difference is 6 volts. Am I correct? That means age difference between older and younger is 6 volt. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Now we know if some point is earth, that point get 0 voltage. It is easy to start from earth point. Okay. Because always if some point is earth, it gets 0. So because of that, VA is equal to 0. Am I correct? Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now, can anyone tell me what is the age of younger one?
0 volt.
0 volt. What is the age difference between younger and older?
6 volt.
What is the age of older one?
6 volt.
6 volts. So if it is 6 volts, VB is also 6 volts. Am I correct?
Correct, sir.
Okay. Now, this is older one, but for this one, it's younger. Now, what is the age of younger one?
6 volt.
6 volts. Now, what is the voltage difference of younger and older? Oh, sorry, age difference. Age
10
difference.
volt.
10 volts.
10 volt.
10 volts. So what is the age of older one?
6.
It's 16. It's 16 volts. Because of that, VC is equal to 16. Is it clear or not? එක තේරුණාද හැමෝටම? Is this method is easy to you or hard? This method is easy or hard to you?
Easy,
Easy,
sir.
sir.
Sorry?
Easy.
Easy, okay. Now there are a lot of questions regarding this concept in your handout or whatever this thing. Okay. I will send it into your, I will send this one is, could you please try this one? This one. Can you try this one? Can you try this one and tell me what are the answers of A, B, C, D, and E point? Try this.
A 0 volt.
Okay. Wait. First, we have to mark the current. First, we have to mark the current. Okay. Now current is 2 amperes, then 2 amperes, 2 amperes, 2 amperes, and 2 amperes. Okay. Now we have to mark the voltage differences. Across this 4 volt, it's 4. It's 12 volts. And now I have to mark the voltage or age difference in between 3 ohms. What is the voltage difference?
6 volt.
6 volts.
It's so
Voltage difference?
4 volts.
4 volts. Now, this point. What is the voltage at this point? VA,
0 volt.
0 volt. What is the age of younger one?
0.
0. What is the age difference?
4.
4. What is the age of older one?
4 volt.
It's 4. VB is equal 4 volts. Now, what is is it younger one or older one?
Older
one.
one.
This one is younger one. Actually, the current is passing from here to here. There is positive, positives are in here and negatives are in here. If you are hard to remember that one, you can do it in this way. Okay, you can do it in this way. The point current is current meet first. This point is current meet first, and this point is current meet second. Am I correct? First, it current meets this point, and then current meets say this point. Clear or not? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Then the first meeting point is older one. Second meeting point is younger one. Okay. The very
Clear,
first
sir.
meet one is older one, and next point is younger one. What is the value of younger? What is the age of younger one?
4.
4 volts. So what is age difference in between younger and older?
6 volt.
6 volts. What is the age of this point?
10
10.
volt.
10 volt.
10 volts. So VC is 10 volts. Is it younger or older?
Young.
Younger. What is the age of younger one?
10.
10.
10. What is the age difference?
12.
12. What is the age of older one?
22.
22 volts. Then VD is 22 volts. What is the age of this one is younger or older?
Younger one.
Younger one. What is the age of younger one?
22 volt.
22 volts. Age difference?
4.
4 volts. Older one's age?
26.
26. 26 volts. Okay. Next. Can you try this one? This one. I will send this tutorial to your group or any other place. Okay. Please try this one and tell me what are the answers.
A 0 volt. B 8
Okay.
volt.
Okay. Wait. Okay. First, we have to mark the voltage across each point. First, we have to mark the current across the circuit, part of the circuit. 2 amps, 2 amps, 2 amps, 2 amps, and 2 amps. Am I correct? Okay. Then voltage differences are 2 into 4, 8 volts. This one is also 8 volts. This one is 2 into 2, 4 volts. This one is also 4 volts. This one is 6 volts. Am I correct? Am I correct up to this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we have to calculate the voltage at each point. What is the voltage at VA?
0.
It's
0.
0 volt. And this point?
8.
8 volt.
8 volts. VB is 8 volts. And this one is younger one or older one?
Younger one.
Younger one. Younger one's old age is
8
8
volt.
volt.
8 volt. Age difference is
8 volt.
8 volt. Then older ones
16.
16 volt is VC. And this one is younger or older?
Younger one.
Younger one. Younger one's voltage is
16.
16. Age difference?
4.
This one
20.
20 volts. Now, this one is younger or older?
Older one.
Older one.
4
Older
volt.
one's age is
20.
20.
20 volt.
Age difference is
-4.
no minus force. I'm not telling anything. Is there any age differences are called as -4 age difference?
No, sir.
It's 4. It's 4 volt.
Oh.
If it is 4 volt, what is the younger one's age? If older one is 20 volt and age difference is 4
4
volt,
volt.
what is the age of younger one?
16.
It's 16. It's 16. It's 16 volts. Because your brother's old, your older brother's age is 20, and you and brother has 4 years age gap, then your age is 16 years old. Am I correct? Is it clear for everyone? එක තේරුණාද හැමෝටම? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it clear for that another one talking with me? Who is that? Is it clear for others? Is it clear or not for others?
චුට්ට මේක පෙත්තනවා සර්.
Sorry.
චුට්ට මේක පෙතලනවා.
ආයි මං කියන්නම්. බලාගන්න. Okay.
වෝල්ටේජ් බලනකොට අපි මේ ලොක් එක ඉඳලා
ඔයා ඒ වගේ
minus
හිතන්න එපා.
එක-
අන්න ඒක තමයි මම කියන්නේ. ඒක ගැන හිතන්න එපා ඔයා. ක්ලියර්ද කියන්නේ? මම කියපු concept එක විතරක් හිතන්න. මම මෙතනදී කිව්වා නේද concept එක මෙන්න මේක. මේ concept එක කිව්වා නේද?
හ්ම්.
එතන. එච්චරයි හිතන්න ඕනේ. ඔයා අනිත් ඒවා හිතුවොත් වැඩේ කේස් වෙනවා. ක්ලියර්ද කියප එක? අනිත් ඒවා හිතන්න බෑ ඔයා.
හ්ම්.
ඔයා මම කියපු දේ විතරයි හිතන්න ඕනේ. ඔයා ඒ දෙන් තමයි මේකට යන්න පුළුවන්. ක්ලියර්ද කියන එක? ඕකේ.
හ්ම්.
පොයින්ට්ස් වල වෝල්ටේජ් හොයන ඊසි මෙතඩ් එකක් කියන්නේ මේ. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේකේ සර්කිට් එක පොයින්ට් එකක් දුන්නාම සාමාන්‍යයෙන් වෝල්ටේජ් හොයන්න ගියාම හරි කරදරයි. සමහරකට අමාරුයි. ඒ හින්දා තමයි මේ මෙතඩ් එක දෙන්නේ. ඕකේ.
Okay.
එතකොට ඔයාලට කරන්න තියෙන්නේ මොනවත් වෙන දේවල් හිතන්න එපා. අර කියපු concept එක විතරයි. අයියා සහ මල්ලි කියන දෙන්න. හැමතිස්සෙම අයියාගේ වයස වැඩි, මල්ලිගේ වයස අඩුයි. එච්චර. ඒක අපි දන්න දෙයක් නේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන්. ඒක විතරයි ඔයාලට යූස් කරන්න පැහැදිලිද කියන්නේ? ඒ concept එක විතරයි. ක්ලියර්ද කතාව නැද්ද? ඕකේ.
ඔව් සර්.
මට ඔයා චුට්ටක් හදමු මගෙත් එක මේ ගන්න. ඒ පොයින්ට් එක VA කීයද කියන්නකෝ පළවෙනිටම
එතන 0.
0. දැන් මේ ඉන්නේ මල්ලිද අයියාද? මෙතන ඉන්නේ
මල්ලි.
මල්ලි. මල්ලිගේ වයස කීයද?
8.
8. එතකොට අයියාගේ මල්ලිගේ වයස වෙනස කීයද?
0.
sorry. මල්ලිගේ වයස කීයද කියන්නේ?
8. 8.
මල්ලිගේ වයස කීයද? මල්ලිගේ වයස. මෙතන ඉන්න මල්ලිගේ වයස කීයද?
0.
0. අයියාගේ මල්ලිගේ වයස වෙනස? වයස වෙනස? ඔව් බය නැතුව කියන්න. වැරදුනට කමක් නැහැ. ඒක හරි ගස් 0 වෙන්නේ නැහනේ. වයස වෙනස කියන එක 0ද මෙතන? දැන් ඔයා ඔය අඩු කරනවානේ මෙතනට 8 එකක් අරගෙන මේක අඩු
0
කරනවානේ.
සර්.
මට පළවෙනිටම කියන්න මෙන්න මේ පොයින්ට් එකේ වෝල්ටේජ් එක කීයද කියලා. මෙතන වයස කීයද කියලා විතරක් කියන්න. ඔයා අනිත් ඒවාත් එක පටල ගන්න නැතුව කියන්න. මෙතන වැලියු එක කීයද කියලා කියන්න. මට ඒ කවුද කතා කරපු කෙනා?
0.
ඔව් හරි. මට පොඩ්ඩක් අර කලින් කතා කරපු කෙනා චුට්ටක් කතා කරන්නකෝ දැන්. ඔව්. දැන් කියන්නකෝ. මේ පොයින්ට්
0
එකේ
සර්.
0. හරි ඕකේ. ඒජ් ඩිෆරන්ස් එක කීයද? ඒජ් ඩිෆරන්ස් එක කීයද? වයස වෙනස කීයද?
සර්.
ඒජ් ඩිෆරන්ස් එක කීයද කියලා අහන්නේ. ඇහෙනවද කියන එක? මාව ඇහෙනවද කියන්නකෝ අර පළවෙනිටම?
එහෙනම්
හරි නෑ ඕගොල්ලන්ට මේ ඕකේ ඇහෙනවා කියලා දන්නවා අනිත් අයට මං අහන්නේ මේ මම කතා කරන කෙනාට මොහොමඩ් ඉර්ෆාන් ඩිලේ එකක් තියෙනවා ඕකේ anyway මම මේක ආපහු සරක් කතා කරන එක්කෙනෙක් මගෙත් එක්ක මේකට කතා කරන්නු මේක මම සිංහලනුත් පැහැදිලි කරන්න මෙතන VA වෝල්ටේජ් එක කීයද සිංහලෙන් මම මේ කියාගෙන යන්නේ හරි මට කියන්න VA වෝල්ටේජ් එක කීයද කියලා කවුරු හරි එක්කෙනෙක් කතා කරන්නු කවුරු හරි කතා කරපු එක්කෙනෙක් කතා කරන්න
0 volt.
0 වෝල්ට් අන්න හරි කතා කරන්නු එක්කෙනෙක් මේක 0 වෝල්ට් මට කියන්න එතකොට මේ පොයින්ට් එකේ වෝල්ටේජ් එක කීයද කියලා වයස කීයද මේ පොයින්ට් එකේ
0 volt.
0 වෝල්ට් එයා අයියද මල්ලිද එයා
Right.
අයියද මල්ලිද එයා
8.
I'm asking this one is younger one or older one
Younger one.
younger one so what is the age of younger one
0.
it's 0 now what is the age difference between younger one and older one
8 volt.
it's 8 volt what is the age of older one
8 volt.
8 volt then VB is equal to 8 volt is it clear is it clear for you
Yes, sir.
okay
Yes.
now what is the age of this younger one this point
8 volt.
8 volt so age difference
8 volt.
8 volt so what is the age of older one
16 volt.
16 volt so age difference
4 volt.
4 volts so what is the age of this one
20.
20.
yes 20 volts VD is 20 volts now this one is younger one or older one
Older one.
older one's age is
20 volt.
20 volts then age difference between older one and younger one is
4 volt.
4 volts if older one is 20 years old what is the age of younger one if there is 4-year age gap
60.
16 volts is it clear for that so I think
Yes, sir. Yes.
okay V is equal 16 volts now is this one is younger one or older one this point
Younger.
is yes it's younger one what is the age difference between younger one and older one
6 volt.
6 volts so what is the age of older one
10.
22.
it's 22
20.
it's 22 volts 16 plus 6 is 22 volts now. The younger one's age is 16 and age difference is 6 so older one age is 22 is it clear for everyone no if there is there is any doubt please ask me now that Mohammed Irfan you can I don't know your name
Yes. Sir.
Yeah.
Yes. Sir.
so is it clear or not
Clear,
Clear,
sir.
sir. Now.
okay that this part is clear for everyone this part is new to you is this part is clear for you when going to the other side of the battery is it clear
Then we want less.
sorry
Then only we want less.
okay yeah is it clear that concept is that concept is clear to you don't if you are using another method please do not use this one okay this is another method If you are using your own method, don't use this one. Otherwise, your answer is wrong. I'm telling you the easiest way to calculate the voltage at each point. Is it easy for you or hard? Is this method is easy or hard? I don't know.
Easy, sir.
Easy.
Easy, sir.
Okay. Now I'm moving to internal resistance of the battery. Okay. Some batteries do not gives its total EMF as a voltage because it's internal resistance. That means there is a resistance inside the battery. Is it clear? If this battery is 10 volt, if I'm considering battery is 10 volt and its internal resistance is simple R is 3 ohms. Okay. Now if I am considering 2 amp current is passing inside to the positive terminal. Clear? Now, method clear again. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now I am going to take out this resistance out of that battery. Take out the resistance. Okay. Okay. Remember, voltage difference of the battery means always positive minus negative. If positive, this is a voltage of younger one. If this one is a voltage of younger, older. This is a older one. This is the younger one. So voltage difference is always capital V is equal to older minus younger. Clear? Is it clear for you?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Remember this one, okay? You should have to remember this one. Otherwise, you are not get this idea. Okay. Now, I'm taking out the 3 ohm resistor of this cell. Now 3 ohm resistor is taking out. Clear? This one has 10 volt and this one is 3 ohm. 2 ampere current is passing from here to there. Clear? Up to this point, is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Now I'm going to consider this point as X and this point as Y. If I'm marking X and Y in this diagram, this is X point and this is Y point. Am I correct? Actually,
Yes,
this
sir.
X is the youngest age. Sorry, oldest age. Am I correct? Y is youngest age. Am I correct? Is
Correct,
it
sir.
clear or not? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now first I'm going to mark the voltage differences across these component. First, what is the voltage difference across this component?
10 volt.
10 volt. What is the voltage difference across this component? If I'm using
6
VC
volt.
color, yes, it's 6 volts. Then 2 into 3, it's 6 volts. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or
Clear,
not?
sir.
Okay. Now I have to calculate voltage of X by YO by using YO, voltage of Y by using X. I'm taking voltage of X by using Y. Okay. Now, this point voltage is Y. What is the age of younger one? What is the
Y.
age of younger one? It's Y. What is the age difference between younger and older?
6 volt.
6 volts. If what is then age difference between young and old is 6 volt, what is the voltage at this point? What is voltage at this point? Tell
10
me.
volt.
Sorry?
10 volt.
No, 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 no. 10 volts.
6, 6,
Sorry?
6 volt.
No, no, no. Now I am taking voltage at this point is Y. Am I correct? I am
Yes.
taking this point is Y. Now what is the age of this younger one?
Why?
Y. If age of younger one is Y and voltage
Y.
difference or age difference is 6, what is the older one is age by using Y?
Y plus 6.
Y
Plus
plus 6.
6.
It's Y
6
plus
volt.
6.
Minus Y. Oh,
Y plus 6. It's Y plus 6 because first, if you are getting wrong, please mark older and younger one. This one is younger. Am I correct? This one is older. This one is younger. And this one is older. Am I correct? Clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now, tell me, what is the voltage at this point? I'm considering this point voltage is Y. What is the voltage at this point? This point voltage is Y. What is the voltage difference across this one?
6.
6
6
volts.
plus Y.
This point voltage is 6 plus Y or Y plus 6. Voltage difference is 6, not 6 plus Y. There is no voltage
Hmm.
difference like 6 plus Y. The voltage difference
Hmm.
is 6 volt. Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Okay.
Clear, sir.
Then, what is the age of younger one?
Y plus 6.
Y plus 6. Age difference?
10.
10.
10 volt.
Then what is the
10.
age of older one?
Y plus
60
16.
plus 5.
Y
Y.
plus 16 or 16 plus Y or Y plus 6 plus 10 or anything. Okay. Y plus 16. Am I correct? Am
Correct,
I
sir.
correct? Okay. Then I can write this X as Y plus 16. Am I correct?
Correct, sir.
Okay. Is it clear for everyone? Is this one is clear for everyone? Irfan?
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Then I have already tell you the voltage difference is always taking from older minus younger. Am I correct? Older minus younger. Is it clear or not?
Correct, sir.
Okay. Then voltage difference is, we can say this one is older one. V older
Clear.
minus V younger. Okay. V older is considered as X. Am I correct? V older is considered
Yeah.
as X. V younger is considered as Y. Am I correct?
No. Yes.
Now we have
Correct.
already find out X value is equal to Y plus 16. Am I correct?
Yes.
Now I am going to substitute
Minus
that
Y.
one into Y plus 16 minus Y. Am I correct?
Yes.
Now Y is getting cancelled out. Now
16.
what is the voltage differences?
16.
Correct, sir.
Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Shall we do another one? Please mark this one. Then I will show you another one.
Yes, sir. earth connect කරලා නැත්තම් මේ අපි zero කියලා ගන්න නැහැ sir.
earth connect කරලා නැත්නම් 0 කියලා ගන්න බෑ. ඒ කියන්නේ 0 වෙන විදියට හදලා නැත්නම් හරි earth connect කරලා නැත්නම් හරි අපිට 0 විදියට ගන්න බෑ.
Okay.
Clear, sir.
හරි. Okay, now I'm showing you another example. Please go through this question. Yes. Oh, no. Go through this one. It's 20 volt and 3 ohm and 4 ampere current is passing away from the positive terminal. Tell me the value, okay? When you calculate these things, tell me the value.
20.75.
20.75. Okay. Any other answers? Any other answers?
No, sir.
Sorry? Any other answers?
No,
Any
sir.
answers? Yeah. No, that's only answer. Did you calculate that one, Irfan?
Yes.
So what is the value?
The E is equal to 20 R කියලා.
Is equal to 20 R? No. First, check
First V
your
is equal to
first
I.
check your question, because there is no R, no. R is equal to 3 ohms. Am I correct?
Yes, sir. උඩ දාලා තියෙන E is equal to 20.
V, volts.
V. Okay.
It's volts.
Volts.
It's 20 volt, okay? Now, can anyone tell me? That answer is wrong. The previous answer, that 20.7, something like that. Please use the concept we learned. Do not use any other concepts.
V is equal to 8.
V is equal to
8.
any other answers? Any other answers? Others? There are 7 people in this meeting. Only 3 are talking with me. What happened to others? Others are following these
22.
things. Sorry?
22.
No, it's wrong. The correct answer is Irfan's one. It's 8 volts.
32.
No, it's wrong. The correct answer is Irfan's one. It's correct.
Is it, sir?
Yes, it's correct. Okay. First, you should draw your diagram correctly. That is a very important thing. The first thing is drawing a diagram. Okay. R is 3 ohms and there is 4 ampere current is going inside to the that battery. Okay, so form is going away. Okay, I'm going to consider this point as x and this point as y. Am I correct? Is it clear or not? That Sobana,
Clear,
is it
sir.
clear for you? Please talking with me. Please unmute your mic and talking with me. Okay. For the
So y
Sobana.
point,
Clear, sir.
Sorry.
did you change the point, sir? It's fine.
Oh, it's fine. If you want, you can change.
Oh,
I'm taking x and y like this. If you want to take it as a and b, take it.
no, sir. එහෙම මේ පැත්තට මේ හරවනකොට මේ y minus x
ඒ
කියලා
y minus x කියලා concept එක නැතුව නිකම්ම මේකනේ දැන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ තියෙන ප්‍රශ්නේ තමයි ඔයාලා equation එකක් පස්සේ දුවන්නේ හැමතිස්සෙම. තේරුණාද කියන එක? ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාලා හැමතිස්සෙම කරන්නේ equation එකට substitute කරන්න try කරන එක. ඔයාලා paper එකේදීත් ඒක කරන්නේ. මම කියන එක තේරෙනවද? ඒ කියන්නේ equation එකක් අරගෙන දැන් අපි කියමුකෝ Kirchhoff law කියලා. sigma E is equal sigma r. sigma E is equal sigma r මොකක්ද කියන එක බලන්නේ නැහැ. sigma E is equal sigma r කියන එකට අවබන්ඩ හදන්නේ. දැන් ඒ කියන්නේ හුඟක් අය කරන්න හදන්නේ ඒක. ඒක ඇතුලේ ඔයාලට මාක්ස් එන්නේ නැහැ. ඒක පළවෙනිම දේ. equation එකක් ඇතුලේ ඔයා ඔබ්බනවා නම් මේ දේවල් එන්නේ නැහැ මාක්ස්. ඔයා අනිවාර්යෙන්ම මාක්ස් වලට යනවා නම් ඔයාට තේරිලා තියෙන්න ඕනේ මේ concept එක මොකක්ද කියන එක. හරිද? මේ concept එක තේරුම් ගන්න easy way එකක් තමයි මම ඔය කිව්වේ. potentials එක කොහොමද අපි මේක calculate කරන්නේ කියලා. දැන් මේ potentials කියනකොටම ඔයාලගේ ඔළුවට යන්න ඕනේ ඔයාලා මීට කලින් static electricity වලදී ඉගෙන ගත්තු potential කියන concept එක. ඒ concept එකෙන්ම තමයි මෙතනට එන්නෙත් අපි. හරිද? මේ පාඩම් තුන එකිනෙකට connect. static electricity, current electricity and electromagnetism. හරිද? static electricity වලදී ඔයගොල්ලෝ කතා කරන්නේ charges එක තැනක තියලා. current electricity වලදී ඔයගොල්ලෝ කතා කරන්නේ charges යන්න දීලා. කියන්නේ flow වෙන එක දිහා බලන එක. magnetic fields වලදී ඔයගොල්ලෝ බලන්නේ charges flow වෙනකොට වටේ ඉන්න අයට ඒක affect වෙන්නේ කොහොමද කියන එක. ඔයගොල්ලෝ මේ පාඩම් තුන දිහා හොඳට මේ පොත බලනකොට මේ පොතේ තියෙන දේ කටපාඩම් කරගෙන ගිහිල්ලා ලියන එක නෙමෙයි. හරිද? පොතේ තියෙන දේ කටපාඩම් කරගෙන ගිහිල්ලා equations දෙකක් අදරෑ බලලා හෙට උදේට දාන එක නෙමෙයි. ක්ලියර්ද කියන එක? කියන්නේ අදරෑ equation එක බලාගෙන යනවා හෙට උදේ කැට් එකට. නේද? හෙට උදේ finals තියෙනවා නම් අදරෑ අපි ටක් ගාලා මොකක් හරි ඔය මේකක් ගහගෙන යනවා. කරන්න පුළුවන් දෙයක්. කරගෙන. ඒ මොකක් හරි equation එකක් තියෙනවා v is equal ir so v is equal ir add කරගත්තා දාගත්තා ගියා. හරිද? එහෙම කරන්න එක නෙමෙයි physics subject එක. මේ concept wise තේරුම් ගන්න. මේ තේරුම් ගන්න concept ඔයාලා හිතනවා නම් level 3 courses ඕනේ නැහැ කියලා level 4 වලට නෑ එහෙම නෑ. ඔයාගේ level 3 courses level 4 වලට ඕනේ. level 4 courses level 5 වලට ඕනේ. මේ හැම concept එකක්ම ඔයා ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕනේ. හරිද? ඒ concept ඉස්සරහට use වෙනවා. ක්ලියර්ද කියන්නේ? එතකොට එතනදී concept එක මොකක්ද කියලා බලන්න. equation එක මොකක්ද කියන එක නෙමෙයි. equation ගොඩාක් දාලා ඒකට මොන හරි ටිකක් පුරවලා අරින එක නෙමෙයි. හරි equation එකක් මොකක්වත් ගන්නවා ඒකට මොකක් හරි දා ගන්නවා යනවා. මොකක් හරි substitute කරගන්නවා මොන හරි values ටිකක් okay it's fine done කියන එකට යනවා. එහෙම නෙමෙයි. equation එකක් ගත්තාම මොකක්ද equation එක? ඇයි අපි මේ equation එක use කරන්නේ? කොහොමද මේ equation එක ආවේ? මොකක්ද මේ concept එක? කොහොමද මේ equation එක derive වුනේ? සමහර කාට ඒක පොතේ නැති වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඔයාලට ඒකට තමයි තියෙන්නේ Google තියෙනවා, ඊට අමතරව library එක තියෙනවා, ඒ library එකේ online part එකක් තියෙනවා. ඒතර මේ resources ඔයාලට use කරන්න. එහෙමයි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් දැන් electromagnetism වල අපි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් කරේ එහෙමයි. දැන් අපේ period එක ගත්තාම මම electromagnetism කරනකොට 2022 කියන්නේ 2019-20 වගේ era එක තිබුණේ. එතකොට ඒ කාලේ ගත්තාම කොරෝනා ආපු කාලයක්. එතකොට lectures පව සමහර කාලට යන්න අමාරු වුණා. හරිද? තොර කැට් එකක්වත් අපිට තියාගන්න මේ කැම්පස් එකට එන්න පුළුවන්කමක් තිබුණේ නැහැ. ඒ තරම්ම ක්‍රිටිකල් වුණා ඒ තත්ත්ව. එතකොට අපිට මේ ඕගලන්ට දැන් මේ ඔන්ලයින් ප්ලැට්ෆෝම්ස් හැදෙන්න
Sir,
කලින් තමයි
please tell in English.
sorry.
Please tell in English.
Okay. Yeah. When I was doing my electromagnetisms, that era is 2019-20. Yes. That means that COVID-19 period. So all the systems goes down and there is no much online platforms like this. Okay. Actually, at that time, we are new to the Zoom also. Okay. But we faced to that situation and getting higher marks to basic electromagnetism at that time also. I took 79% for the CAT eligibility, and I took award for the basic electromagnetism at that year, 2019-20 year. Okay, that's how we have to use the resources also. This is not a O level or scholarship exam or it's nothing like that. It's completely on your hand. You have to find out what are those things. Then that course material is it is not a complete thing. It's guide you how to understanding each concepts. Actually, in other universities there is no course material. You know, I think in other universities there is no course materials. So they have to find out each everything by using resources just like Google or ChatGPT or something like that. Okay, but in our university, they give you the course material and help you to guide through this subject. They give you a guide. ඒගොල්ලෝ ඔයාලට guide එකක් දීලා තියෙන්නේ. හරිද? හරි. In physics, you have to understand the concept, not the equation. Okay. If you are going after the equation, that is completely meaningless. Okay. If you have find out the equation, you have to find out why we are using this equation. What is the purpose of this equation? How do we derive this equation? Those are the things you have to go. Actually, that is the things of that that asking me that x and y can be changed, because when you are when you are changing x and y, you're getting wrong answer. That means you are substituting to values to my previous question, that previous solution, what I did in here. In here, you are substituting values for this one. It is not the way. It is not the way. Clear? Now I'm going to calculate this one. Okay. Now some are asking to change these values now. So I'm asking. So I'm changing. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Now Irfan, tell me what should I get for here? Anything? Tell me. Here. Irfan.
No, sir, just I asking circuit brief.
Okay.
Circuit
Tell me anything. Any point or any symbol or anything. If you want alpha, I can use alpha.
So it's X again.
Okay, this one is XO, this one is YO, this one is YO, this one is X. Anything. A or B or C or D or anything. If you know Tamil also, you can use Tamil letters also. Actually, I don't know. Okay, clear. Now
Yes,
I'm
sir.
going to name these points as A and B. Okay, is it okay? The thing is, the main thing is, we know the voltage difference of the battery is negative, positive minus negative. Am I correct? It is a voltage difference. Always voltage difference is calculated by positive voltage minus negative voltage. Is it clear or not? Irfan, is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Sobana, is it clear or not? Sobana, is it clear or not? If it is not clear, please tell me. So it's not clear.
First, we want to find the voltage of minus one.
Okay.
Younger one.
Okay, I will go. Okay. We have to calculate the voltage of younger one, no older one. Anyway, final value is final voltage difference is always considering positive voltage minus negative voltage. Am I correct? That means older minus younger. The younger one is this one. Am I correct? This one is older one. Then older minus younger means A minus B. Am I correct? Irfan, is it okay?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Actually, the problem is some of you are talking, sometimes you are not talking. And sometimes you are joining and sometimes when I looking at sometime, they are leaving.
It's a coverage cutting, sir.
Yeah, no, not for the you, not for you actually. For the overall meeting. Actually, there is a when I'm starting the when I'm started this meeting, there is only 5 members. Okay. Without me, it's only 4 members. Okay. It's only 4 members. It increase up to 10. Okay. Now it's again increased down to 6. Where is other 4? Where is other 4? They are leaving. They are joining and leaving. I don't know. Anyhow, I will continue the session. Okay. Okay. Now, voltage is older minus younger. Am I correct? That means V is equal A minus B. Is it clear or not? Irfan, is it clear? Now, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Now, I'm going to take out the resistor. Actually, we cannot take out the resistor, okay? It is a conceptual thing, okay? Clear? This one is A and this one is B. Clear? This one is 20 volt and this one is Irfan?
12.
3 ohms.
3.
4 amps is current. 4 amp current is passing through a resistor and the battery. Am I correct? So, Sobana, tell me what is the voltage difference?
$12 volt.
Yes, it's 12 volt. What is the voltage difference across a battery?
20.
It's 20 volt.
20 volt.
Okay. Now, if I am considering this point voltage is B, what is the voltage at this point?
12 plus B.
Sobana, can you tell me?
12 plus B.
12 plus B. Now, please answer, Sobana, answer these questions. Okay. Then, this short one is younger one or older one?
Younger one.
Younger one. Younger one's age is
12 plus B.
12 plus B. Age difference is
20 volt.
20 volt. Then older one's age is
22 plus B.
yes 22 plus B. Okay. Then yes. This question is yes. This question is wrong. Okay. I did this. I write this question in wrong way. This is negative terminal. This is positive terminal. I draw it in. This is positive and this is negative. Please excuse. I will draw it again. Okay.
That's why, sir, I asked the terminal. It's
Yes.
right.
According to this one, the Shobana's answer is correct. Okay. But I'm not asking when the current is passing from inside to the negative terminal, inside to the positive terminal. In the question, it's asking current is passing out of the positive terminal. Am I
Outside,
correct? Yeah. So there is two ways to correct this one. I'm using second way. I'm doing nothing, but this one. Now it's correct, no? Am I correct, Irfan?
Yes.
Now it's
no.
correct. Now it's correct. Now same thing. There is no differences, okay? You have to calculate positive minus negative. This one is positive. That means younger one is A. Sorry, older one is A. Younger one is B. So positive minus negative is older minus younger. Older minus younger. So older is A minus B. Am I correct? Clear. So, but is it clear for you? Others, is it clear? There is a mistake in the question.
Clear,
Actually,
sir.
actually I did a mistake when I am drawing this question in here. The real question asking from then what is the voltage across the A and B when 4 amperes is passing away from the positive terminal. But I draw it in 4 amperes passing towards the positive terminal. That is the next question, actually. Okay. Now I'm going to calculate the voltage. For first, I have to take it out. This one is 3 ohm and this one is 20 volt. And 4 ampere current is passing from here to here. Now again, please excuse and tell me again what are the voltage values and other things. Tell me. If I'm considering voltage at this point is B, yeah, voltage at this point is B. Okay. What is the voltage at this point? First we have to
Sure.
calculate this one. This one is 12 volt. Okay. This one is 20. Okay. What is the voltage at this point? Tell me.
B
This one?
plus 12.
Yeah.
12 plus B.
Is it? Is it? Tell
12.
me who is the younger one and who is the older one?
B is
Positive,
younger one.
this one is younger. This one is older.
B.
This is not younger because current is first. Third,
Yeah,
first,
sir.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Then this one is younger one. Am I correct? And this one is younger and this one is older. Am I correct? Clear, Irfan, Sobana? Is it clear for you? Others, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, older one is B. Now, what is the younger one's age?
12.
Age difference is 12. What is the younger one's age?
B minus 12.
B minus 12. It's correct. B minus 12. If it is B minus 12, younger one's age is B minus 12. Then older one age is? Can anyone tell me? Now the younger one's age is B minus 12. Irfan?
Plus 20.
Yes, B minus 12 plus 20. Ne? B minus 12 plus 20. Is it clear to everyone? Sobana, is it clear? Is it clear for
Sir,
you?
why is sir B minus 12
Ah,
at
okay. I will tell
younger?
you. Okay. This one is older one. Am I correct? Sobana?
Correct, sir.
Okay. Then
Correct.
age difference is 12 volt. Am I correct?
Correct, sir.
Then younger one's age is B minus 12. Is it clear or not? Because older one is B and younger one is B minus 12.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Then after that, this one is younger one or older one, Sobana?
Younger one,
Younger one. Younger one's age is
B minus 12,
B minus 12. And the younger ones and older ones age difference is
20 volt,
20 volts. Then what is older one's age?
20 minus B
Ah.
minus 12.
B minus 20. Is it correct? This younger one's age is B minus 12. If younger one's age is B minus 12, age difference is 20 volt. What is the value?
20 minus
How is
B
20
minus
is minus? How the 20 is
18.
minus? It's B minus 12. We have to addition to the plus 20 to the calculate the older one's age. No. Clear or not? Sobana?
Clear, sir. Clear.
Okay. Then what is A's value is? Can anyone tell me? A's value?
B minus
B
12 plus
minus
20.
8.
B minus 8.
Right.
Clear. Sorry, B
B
plus
plus
8.
8.
B plus 8.
Plus 8.
B plus 8. It's not B minus 8. Is it? It is B plus 8. So A is B plus 8. Am I correct? Now we have to calculate V is equal A is B plus 8 minus B. B to B is cancelled out. Then V is equal 8. Is it clear or not? Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Then go through this one and tell me the answer. E and this one is R. Current is passing away from the now. Tell me the value. Calculate and tell me the answer. Calculate and tell me the answer. Okay, tell me the answer.
2e plus 2ir.
2e plus 2ir. How does 2 is came? Another one.
E plus 2ir.
Sorry.
E plus 2ir.
E plus 2ir. Sobana, what is your answer? Please check your calculation, Mohammed. I think there is a calculation error.
E minus IR.
E minus IR. It's correct. It's E minus IR. So if I am draw it like this one is E and this one is R. This I current is came from here going to this point. This point is considered as X and this point is considered as Y. Okay. Then this is
I into R.
yes, simple I into R. And this one is
E.
simple E. Now this is Y and this one is this point is, can anyone tell me? This one is older one. Am I correct? This one is
Y
younger one.
minus ir.
Y minus
Yes,
IR.
yes.
It's Y minus IR. This point is Y minus IR. Then this one is, please mark older and younger one. Otherwise you are getting wrong. Okay. This one is younger one or older one, Irfan?
Which one is
This one.
older?
Is the short one is the older one?
Younger one.
Younger
So
one.
we
Younger
won't
one's
take
old
this
is? Younger one's age is?
Y
Y
minus
minus
ir.
IR. Age difference is?
E.
E.
Then E plus Y
E
minus ir.
plus Y minus IR. Am I correct?
Yes.
Now, X can be written as E plus Y minus IR. Is it clear? Is it clear? Then we know the voltage difference is V. Voltage difference is always positive minus negative. In this case, positive is X and negative is Y. So voltage difference is X minus Y. Am I correct? So X is E plus Y minus IR and Y is minus Y. Plus Y and minus Y is cancelled out. Then V is equal E minus IR. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now my time is over. So please go through this part and then okay, we will discuss this part last we will discuss this part and wind up the session. Okay. Okay. Calculate this one. Calculate the voltage across this one. If this one is I, calculate and tell me what is value.
E plus IR.
Is it?
E plus IR.
Is it? Is it E plus IR? Did you calculate this one? That one? Is it E plus IR? Any others? Is it E plus IR or not? Irfan,
Yes.
did you calculate that one?
It's E plus IR.
It's E plus IR. It's E plus IR. I'm going to calculate that one also. Okay. Now, I'm going to take out that R value. This point is considered as Y, and this one is considered as X. Same here. Current is going from this way. Going this way. Okay. This value is R, and this one is simple E. And what is the voltage difference across a simple R resistor?
IR.
IR. And voltage across this one?
E plus IR.
Voltage across this one is E
E.
plus IR. Okay. Now, tell me, if I'm considering this one is Y, what is the value of this one? What is the value of this point?
Y. IR. Y plus IR.
Y plus IR.
Y plus IR. Y plus IR. After that, if this one is younger one or older one?
Younger one.
Younger one.
Younger
Younger
one.
one's age is Y plus IR. Then what is the older one's age?
E
E
plus
minus
If younger one is Y plus IR, what is the older one age?
E plus
Y
Y
plus IR.
plus IR.
E plus Y plus IR. Then X can be written as E plus Y plus IR. Am I correct? Now we know the voltage difference is V is equal X minus Y. Okay, positive minus negative, no? Then X is E plus Y plus IR minus Y. Positive Y and negative Y is cancelled out. Then V is equal E plus IR. Now there is two equation. If current is passing to if current is flowing towards to the positive terminal. If current is flowing through towards to the positive terminal. We can use E plus IR. Am I correct? Is it clear or
Yes,
not? Okay.
clear.
Then if current is flowing away from the positive terminal, it is E minus IR. Am I correct or not? Is it clear to
Correct.
you? Up to
Yes.
here, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then I'm moving another simple question and wind up the session. Okay. Okay. Now, if they're asking voltage across this one. Sorry. 30 volts and 2 ohms. And there is 4 amperes. Now, current is passing towards the positive terminal or passing away from the positive terminal?
Away.
Away. Then equation is E minus IR or E plus IR?
E
Minus.
minus IR.
E minus IR. So I am using E minus IR and calculate 30 minus I is 4 and R is 2 and 30 minus 4 into 2 is 8 and 22 volts. Is it clear or not? Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Then if I am taking another example, if it is 1 ampere and 10 volts and 2 ohms. Is it passing away from the positive terminal or passing into the positive terminal? Towards
Into the fourth.
Into the.
yeah.
Into the.
If I am marked 1 ampere this side, it's passing towards to the positive terminal. So E plus IR or E minus IR?
E plus IR.
E plus IR. So E is 10 plus 2 into 1, then it's 10 plus 2, it's 12 volts. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, one last thing. I'm taking another example from previous case, but there is a small difference. Okay. I'm taking this example. This is 8 volts 0.5. Yes. 8 volts 0.5. Zero 0.5 amperes, and this one is 8 volts, and this one is 0.5 volts, 5 ohms. Two ampere and 5 ohm, 10 volts, 2. Now, first we have to mark the current. 2 amperes is passing from here and here and here. Clear? Now, we have to mark the voltage differences. What is the voltage difference across this one?
10
What
volt.
is,
10
yes,
volts.
10 volts. Now, tell me, what is voltage difference across this one?
9 volt.
Yes, first we have to find out the current is passing towards to the positive or passing away from the positive. In this case, you can see current is passing towards the positive terminal. So we can use E plus IR. If current is passing towards to the positive, we can use E plus IR. Then E is 8 plus I is 2 into R is 0.5. Then 8 plus 1, it's 9 volts. Clear? Is it clear for everyone? Now,
Clear, sir.
Sobana, tell me what is the voltage in this one? Is it E plus IR or E minus IR?
E plus IR.
E plus IR. So, E is 10, I is
2.
2, and R is,
2.
and this one is 14. Am I correct? Is it
Correct,
clear?
sir.
Okay. Now tell me, what is the voltage at this point? VA,
0.
0 volt. Is it younger one or older one? This point is younger one,
Younger
younger one. Younger one's
Young.
age is
0.
0. Younger one's age is 0. Then older one's age is
14.
14 volts. Then this one is younger one or older one? Is it younger one or older one?
Younger one.
Younger one. Its voltage is
14.
14. Is this point is younger one or older one?
Older one.
Older one. Then VC is
24.
24 volts. Then this one is younger one or older one?
Younger one.
Younger one's age is
24.
24 volts. Then voltage age difference is
9 volt.
9 volts. Then point D voltage is
33.
yes, 33 volt. Is it clear for everyone or not? Irfan?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Then Sobana, is it clear?
Clear, sir.
For others, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, there are a lot of questions in this slide. Okay. I will send this one. Okay. This one and today's slide is also, I will send the today's slide also. Please go through these questions. There are a lot of questions. Calculate all these things by using our concepts. Okay. There are a lot of voltage calculation things. Okay. And practice these concepts. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. So I will send this PDF also. Okay. I will send this one also. Okay. From here, I will wind up the session. If you have any questions,
Thank you, sir.
please ask me now.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot.
Okay.